So I'm in New York City, factory footage. I wanted to play the video. This is from Dano and Michelle and Vance and Travis and Colin and Isaac and Garrett, who worked on the first round of face shields. Take it away. Okay, and
So
then
it was 1,000.
yeah, that was the first 1,000 or so, and been cranking away. We have more materials on the way. Also, we've been posting on hashtag Adafruit Chronicles and also in the blog category, and we've been able to work with our partners like UPS and DigiKey to get in a lot of the essential components for a lot of the things that we need to build and make. We've been doing shipping. Sometimes it's a little lonely. And you can see Adafruit's a lot different. This is our warehouse, and Lady Ada and I are either the early morning shift or late night shift, depending on how you want to call it. And we're getting work done. And we're thankful that we're able to supply something that's very valuable and needed for not only New York City, but New York State, and of course the USA, and of course the world. And we also had a little bit of fun because, we're still artists, we're still weird, so we gotta keep with that. This is not too far from Adafruit. So Adafruit, if the building wasn't away, you would be able to see this. But this is the UNS Comfort, and you can see the helicopters and the flotilla they had. And this was right outside our window, so we were able to see this here in New York City, and it was spectacular. It's also humbling because this is heavy. Like, it's like, wow, like this is happening. And to see a ship like this come into New York so fast, and to know that it's going to help a lot of people, it's why we say New York strong and New York tough. But it's also like, thank you everyone who got this going, because it means that we can use the hospitals for more urgent care and use this for other things. I did a little time lapse. I never had to use all of our team does time lapses, and I'm like, I'm not gonna use time lapse. So I made a time lapse of this. I'm like, beep 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 beep. It goes back, it goes forth. It never went backwards. I did that. That was my idea.
It's leaving.
Yeah, bye, we're done here.
Yeah, we'll take another time lapse when it goes.
Yeah, and here it is. And then we didn't shoot this. This I grabbed from Twitter. This is either cool or maybe not. So the Empire State Building decided to turn itself into a giant siren, and I think it was okay, but it's also like, that's kind of scary. So anyways, it was neat though. The other thing that I want to talk about is, I think a lot of people are going to be wearing masks soon, and so I think especially for kids, we're going to have to explain to them that when you wear a mask, you're wearing a mask because it means you care about other people. And we wanted to have the circuit playground characters reflect that, and we wanted to have our puppets reflect that.
I like how Mo has just like a little one in the middle, because
yeah. And what we wanted to do was, make this so it's not scary. It just means, hey, like, you care about other people. A mask doesn't protect you, it protects other people. And so this is the mask that I have. It's my spare one that I had with me, so I said, well, let me just take some photos with it. And we just wanted to start this because we think this is going to be one of the many things that we're all going to have to adapt to. And I think especially for young people, it's okay, and it's something that is going to be important, and it just means that we're thinking about others. And I think that's the way we can approach it in a positive way. And we also have been taking photos as we've been going back and forth to the factory, and it really does look like this. It really is empty.
It's never that. I mean, it's
we
always trafficy.
We don't see other humans, even when we're out now in Manhattan. And then not too far from us, there's these cool balloon. This is Dr. Fauci balloon, and then this is a bunch of nurse balloons. So that's the main New York City factory footage for this week.